the weather is really, really bad. Jacob is trying to find an Uber for us. I just got to my room and I'm gonna show you around. I have a bathroom here and a shower that, well, it's very open. And then, well, we are living in downtown LA and I've actually never lived here before, so it's gonna be exciting, and the weather is super, super bad. I got a little welcome gift from NYX Professional Makeup with news. So these things in here are launching in March, I think. These are new eyeshadow palettes and some other new things that I'm gonna show you guys. Tomorrow we're gonna do this secret thing. Then the day after tomorrow, 2 other guys from Scandinavia are arriving to LA, and then we have a full schedule from there. I feel like I just wanna, you know, take this face off. I have to give you a tip because I always bring this. This is like a little fluorescent light that you can put on any mirror with this little suction cup. It's from My Beauty Light and it's the best thing you can use if you want to have good makeup light in any occasion. If you're in a hotel, at a friend's house, whatever, it's the best, and you can take good pictures and the lighting's awesome. It's shiny.
So if you ever wonder what it looks like when Linda is doing her swatches, she's in her bathtub. Something you want to say from in there?
My chin is there.
And your nose is here.
First day is over. Tomorrow is gonna be an early day because we're off on this secret thing that I told you about. Otherwise tomorrow, I don't know what we're gonna do actually. I don't think we have any schedule tomorrow besides that. And maybe some time to explore. I don't know, depends on how long it takes. We had a good dinner today. We went out for some toothpaste and clear eyes. But now it's time to sleep. I don't want to be jet lagged tomorrow. So good night guys, see you tomorrow. We are waiting for the Uber. It's raining so much.
Yes.
Bad
Next
karma,
time.
bad karma. I don't know about that, but yeah,
Things to
probably.
remember.
We just got back from the photo shoot and it went really, really well. I'm gonna remove my makeup now because I was so glittery and I just felt like my eyes were tearing a lot. So I'm just gonna remove it and I'm gonna do like a light makeup tonight. It's been an amazing day, really. I'm super happy with the day. So what we did and how it turned out, you'll see in April.
Come out, wherever you are, that bitch.
Hey! No! Open! Day 2 is over, and oh yeah, I dropped my phone in a toilet today. I had my phone in the pocket of my jacket, and then when I stood up, my phone just bloop, and I was like, shit. So I just stuck my hand down in the toilet and grabbed it. Maybe I need to buy a new phone after all. But now I'm really excited for bed. I'm so tired. Good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow again. First day of sun! Are you excited?
I am so excited.
I don't know what Jacob is doing. He is filming something. So we're gonna be here for a couple of hours maybe, and then we're gonna head back. Good morning, guys. So my camera died yesterday so I can film the event, which was kind of boring because it was really nice. So now we are soon going to get some breakfast, and after we're going to the NYX Professional Makeup headquarters. I've been there once before, and we're gonna go there again to take a look at some news, which I'm super excited about. Henry, can you please tell me what you just got on your plate?
Well, it's a chicken on a waffle.
What the heck? That's literally the weirdest thing I've ever seen. And it's nothing on it?
No.
It's just a chicken on a waffle.
It's chicken on a waffle. No.
We are right now in Little Tokyo, and we are gonna eat those mochi ice creams in a place here. Hey you guys, so it's Friday, and today we are off to a museum. We're actually gonna have the museum all to ourselves, which is gonna be amazing. It's all for inspiration, and I love going to museums, so this is gonna be amazing. I have to show you. We went on this little shopping spree yesterday. I got these eyelashes. I love them so much. They are from Eyler, I think you say that, and it's with Jasmine Brown. Oh, so they are very like dull eye, and I think they're gorgeous. And also, I'm gonna show you my dirty room here, but look at these. I don't know if you can see, but they have like Swarovski crystals on them, like on the whole thing, and glitter purse. I just love glitter, and I think this was cute, so I got it. And I also got a poop spray. I have no idea if it works, but it smells really good. And I also heard that this is good for the litter box if you have cats. So we're soon about to go down, eat some breakfast, and then we are off to the museum. Hey guys! I'm starting my day with a face mask. Today we're going to IMATS. It feels like we've been here for like 2 days. My whole face is crumbling. It feels like we recently had breakfast, but now we're gonna eat again. We're gonna eat lunch before we are heading off to IMATS. Linda, I love you! Love you! Yes! You're my favorite person in the world! How long have you been here for?
Half an hour.
Half an hour? Oh my god.
Half an hour.
Okay.
I'm leaving. I'm literally leaving right now.
We are soon off to the IMATS after party, and I kinda got wild with the glitter. Kinda. Can you come show yourself?
Yes.
And Jacob got some holographic glitter. I guess we are ready to go.
Yeah.
I'm kinda hungry.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Dinner.
Are now in Chicago, and the way here was really bumpy. Sluta!
What is this?
I just spilled a whole glass of water onto my lap. Okay, at first I spilled his Coke on him, and now I'm sitting in water. Right now I feel very wet.